Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, today we are going to talk about one of the most important topic of science, that is photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? In photosynthesis, photosynthesis is a process where the plants produce glucose and oxygen by the reaction of carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight. So in photosynthesis, the plants produce oxygen and traps sunlight. Photosynthesis occurs in plants, algae and some prokaryotes. In photosynthesis, energy is stored as carbohydrate in their bodies. Why photosynthesis is important for us or for our environment? Without photosynthesis, no living being can live in this earth, including human. The most biological organisms can't perform photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, the plants harnesses the sun's energy into utilizable forms of energy on earth, and the carbon dioxide leaves the atmosphere, making the atmosphere clean, and enters the plant and leaves as oxygen. That's why photosynthesis is ecologically and environmentally important in nature. Without photosynthesis, we are never going to get any food or shelter or oxygen in our nature. The next topic we are going to discuss about is water cycle. What is water cycle? Water cycle is a process which describes how much water evaporates from the surface of the earth, rises into the atmosphere, cools and condenses into rain or snow in clouds, and falls again to the surface as precipitation. The cycling of water in and out of the atmosphere is a significant aspect of the weather patterns on earth, and it is the continuous movement that is happening on earth from billion years ago. So here is a picture. There are some forms of water cycle, that is condensation, evaporation, precipitation and collection. How water is collected, how water is evaporated and how water is condensed. And here is also the keyword surface water and groundwater. How water is stored as groundwater or surface water. We are going to discuss about this. So the main four stages in the water cycle is evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. So what happens in evaporation? When the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns shit into vapor or steam, the water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake or ocean and goes into the air. Look at here the picture of evaporation. Then the next process in this water cycle is condensation. Condensation occurs when water vapor or steam in the air gets cold and changes from a gas back into liquid, forming clouds. The third process of this cycle is precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the clouds gets heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet or snow. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the clouds gets heavy and water falls back to the water in the form of rain, hail, sleet or snow, and this water is stored as groundwater or fresh water in earth. I have given some picture of condensation, precipitation and underground water. Thanks everyone, and note me if you are curious to know any question about these two topics. I will try my best to give you the answer. Best of luck.